Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Remote Desktop is enabled on the Windows PC and the user account has a password. Without that, you cannot connect. Once done, open the App Store on your iPhone and install Microsoft Remote Desktop, because this app handles the RDP protocol reliably. Next, check network reachability. On the same Wi-Fi, it's straightforward. Otherwise, configure port forwarding or dynamic DNS on your router so your phone can find the PC remotely. You now configure the connection. Tap Add PC and enter the PC's local IP address or public hostname, and pick a saved user account or leave it to prompt you. Make sure network-level authentication is enabled on the PC and in the app for security. This prevents unauthenticated sessions. Then tune display and sound settings, lower resolution, and turn off background images to improve responsiveness on mobile networks. But keep clipboard enabled if you plan to copy text between devices. You connect by tapping the saved PC entry. If a certificate prompt appears, verify details and accept it to establish trust. Once connected, switch between touch and mouse mode or attach a keyboard to use shortcuts. This makes file transfers and administrative tasks faster. If you can't connect, first check the PC firewall rules and that port 3389 is reachable, then confirm credentials and that the PC isn't asleep. A single troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable the Windows firewall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.